What should we do today?
I don't know. My phone's gonna go dead. No, my games after the day.
I know what we can do.
What?
Let's play the guessing game.
That's not smart.
Okay, the mine goes first.
I guess that I have to go.
What? Well, you gotta guess what song it is, so let y'all go first. Banana?
Well, I'm still bored.
We're bored.
This Wi-Fi is low. I can't even do anything in here.
Very home.
I want a fidget spinner. This is too expensive. They cost like $2,100,000.
And the
Billion, zillion, called
the
$1
plastic one only
Try
costs
$1 billion.
1 cent. Those cheap ones.
Those are fake.
Fake ones. Those things will just be like. Who is that?
Who's that?
We got fidget spinners! I want this one.
This one is mine.
We have fidget spinners. Oh, this is cool. Wow, look what I can do. Can I do that?
Can you do this?
I can do this. I can do that.
Well,
I can catch it. Yeah, catch
I can too.
it. Oh, I got fidget spinners.
You learned to spin it? Oh, you gotta spin it for bearings too.
Whoa.
Ah, she ankles them.
Go do something amazing.
But you're not.
Yours.
I'm okay.
Give you another one.
Okay.
Start it.
It's taking over me. No.
I'm a fidget spinner. I'm a fidget spinner. I want to be one too. I'm spinning so fast I can beat y'all in a race.
No, you can't. Let's go then. Yeah. Gotta do the summoning ritual. I think it's taking over me. Or I really have to go to the bathroom.
I ate the burritos.
We are fidget spinners. We are fidget spinners. We are fidget spinners. Oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah, oh yeah. We are fidget spinners. Fidget spinners. We can spin faster. Yeah, yeah. Yes, we can.
I think I got an idea.
Do that. What?
I want to cut. I want to rampage and make a tornado.
Oh, okay, let's do it.
Okay, you gotta spin faster.